You cannot, in fact, as you correctly said, his point is pointless.
Honorable Munyoro, I'm actually engaging you because I have heard you, but I also heard the member for Soy, because then you're saying the debate we are having right now does not hold any water, because it is also in our mandate as a house. And I think that is what Honorable DK has raised. Even as you debate, do not annihilate the same house that you're serving in.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I think it's an issue of misunderstanding. I will bring the amendment. You support it, Honorable DK. But you can't say...
That is in order. Please continue with your submission.
Yeah, that... If the
and all of you, honorable members, Honorable Amboka, you're shouting that someone is shouting. Everyone is shouting. And sometimes even the speaker is not able to hear exactly what to rule on. Can we just be having decorum? Let us hear the member for Kegumo.
Please protect me from Honorable DK. I'll appreciate. Again, a lot of English was used on this issue of phones. And I remember the CS for Treasury visiting shops in downtown Nairobi, explaining to people why they were consolidating those taxes. And I think our people are really not interested in what tax is where. What he should have explained is whether if this tax is consolidated, the phone will be cheaper or more expensive. That is the only point that Kenyans want to understand. So we've been taken round and round and round from excisable, Osoro, I'm an expert on this thing, my friend. I understand it. We've been taken round this thing, and we are being told that now it will be cheaper. But if you look at the cost of the phone, once it's at the shop, first, how will they collect the money? Because if I buy a phone right now and give it to my mom in the village, and then once she activates it, she's told she owes money, who will pay that tax? And I think it's very important we be honest with our people. All we are trying is to raise more funds by creating laws that do not
Honorable
make
member
sense.
for Kegumo.
Yes.
Order. Do you want to be informed by Honorable Osoro?
No. I don't. How can I be informed by someone with less knowledge than I have? Surely. Thank you. Yeah,
point of information. Order, members. Point of information must be accepted, and you do not have to impute improper motive on your colleague. Just refuse the information. Yes, continue. You have your right.
Yeah, and I think another issue that we've had a problem with is the tax predictability.
What is out of order, Honorable Chepkonga?
Madam Speaker.
And make it a point of order.
Madam Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 83. Madam Speaker, Article 117 of the Constitution is very clear. There is freedom of speech. You don't need to shout at anyone. You don't need to be hostile to people. You just need to be friendly. We are...
What is out of order, Honorable Chepkonga?
Madam Speaker, I am speaking on issues of accuracy, Mr. Speaker. Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Honorable Munyoro is my very good friend. And he knows I'm his good friend. He knows also, Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, order.